Hi friends, welcome to Travel Story. Today's travel story is based on Sindhudurga tourism. Sindhudurga, the heaven of Maharashtra, is very close to my heart as I lived there almost 34 years. Today we are visiting Malwan, and the Malwan is popular for various tourist places. Now we are going to the Suvarna Ganesh temple. This Suvarna Ganesh temple is built by काल निर्णयकार Jyotir Bhaskar Jayan Sargaonkar. Yes, as you know, Kal Nirnay is the famous calendar of India. The Jyotir Bhaskar Jayan Sargaonkar had built this temple of Sri Ganesh. It is called Suvarna Ganesh because the idol of Sri Ganesh is made up of gold. So when we visit Malwan, must go to the Suvarna Ganesh temple. It is very popular temple in the Konkan region. The most popular place in the Malwan is Tsunami Island. Tsunami Island was made in the 2004 tsunami. This island is situated at Deobag and the Deobag Sangam and this Tsunami Island is close to each other. So when we visit to this Tsunami Island, we must go to the Deobag, and in Deobag there are two places where boats are ready to visit this Tsunami Island. The cost of visit Tsunami Island is approximately 700 rupees, and various water sports like banana ride, parasailing and other various sports are there. So this cost approximately 800 for water sports and 7 to 800 rupees per head for parasailing. So when we go to the Malwan, the first place to visit is Tsunami Island. The very popular sunset point is there, so we must visit Tsunami Island. When we enter in the Malwan city, pass by ST bus stand, the first left turn took us to the Deobag Tsunami Island. There are two places, Deobag Tsunami Island and Deobag Sangam. At Tsunami Island, various shacks are made there, and we enjoy the beautiful sunset with the cup of tea. So don't forget to visit Deobag Sangam and Tsunami Island with various motor sports and parasailing. After visiting Tsunami Island and Deobag Sangam on the Malwan Road, the first place you must visit is the Tarkarli beach. The Tarkarli beach is very popular and very clean and neat beach. The water sports of various kinds are there. Also, now you can see in this video, it is the Rapan fishing. The very big net is used to fishing for various fishes. So also you can see this Rapan fishing at the Tarkarli beach. The MTDC resort is also situated at the Tarkarli beach. It is very spacious and grand resort to live there. So Tarkarli is one of the most visited place of Malwan city. And the last but not least, the wonder in the sea is Sindhudurga Port. As you know, Sindhudurga Port is built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and it's very popular in the Indian and abroad. So you should visit Sindhudurga Port. The rate was 90 rupees per person and 50 rupees for children's. The boats are ready on the Malwan jetty to visit the Sindhudurga temple, Sindhudurga port. In Sindhudurga port, there is Shivaji Maharaj temple and also the footprints of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So you should visit Sindhudurga port. Also there are rock garden situated near Sindhudurga port. You should visit that rock garden. Malwan is very famous for authentic Malwani food and the famous hotel in Malwan is Hotel Chaitanya, which is very popular for various fish thalis and other chicken and mutton thalis. So when you visit Malwan, you should visit Hotel Chaitanya. Also at the Devbagh Tarkarli there are various AC non-AC rooms which can at affordable rate. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Travel Story. Thank you very much.